Hi, welcome to another Craft Corner video. I'm Shannon, and today we're going to be making dinosaurs. And I'm going to give a big shout out to my fellow staff member, Lorenzo Martinez, for giving us this craft idea for this week. So, what you're going to need for this project, you're going to need construction paper, glue, markers, scissors, and if you have them, googly eyes, my favorites, and a scrap piece of paper. So now what you're going to do, you're going to get your construction paper and you're going to fold this corner down here to get a nice big square. So when you fold it down, you're going to get your scissors, you're going to cut off this little extra strip down here at the bottom. And you'll set that aside because you will be using that in a little while. Next, you're going to hold your paper like so. And you're going to take this corner and fold it to the middle of your paper. And then you're going to do the same with this side. So now you're going to have 4 little sections. You're going to fold your paper back in half. And you're going to get your marker. And if you can see, we're going to draw a little curved line, and that will be for his leg. And you'll go about maybe 3/4 of the way up, and you will draw like a little half oval for his arms. Down here where there's the crease, you're gonna make an angled line and straight down like so, down to the tail. All right, if you can see that pretty clear. Next up, I'm gonna just do what I did on this one. You're gonna draw some little triangles. All the way up. Open it up and finish making your triangles for the other side. And to color this in faster, I'm going to use a thicker marker. So you're just going to color it in, or if you want to do like my little orange guy here, you can actually cut them out. When you're like this, you just cut out the little triangles. So I'm just going to give this little quick color in. And like with this orange guy too, what I did when I cut out the little notches, I took a strip of paper, not too thick, only about maybe 2 inches wide, and folded it in half and I cut the top half at an angle, so like a little point, and just stuck it in there, glued it in, and that way my dinosaur had little blue triangle spikes on it. Okay, we're going to do this last one. Now what you're going to do is fold it back in half. And you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut along these black lines right here. Alright, so it'll look like this when you're done. Now, you'll take this little folded flap and you will apply your glue. There we go, that's a little easier. And you'll take this other end and you will just attach it, glue it together. I'm just putting my finger in there to be able to get it to stick a little better. You'll want to bend the arm out a little. And you'll glue these two sides together. Put your hand in there. And for this one, because I'm actually going to cut part of this little bit off. Fall down, cut at the tail. Come back, and I'm just gonna get rid of most of this little bit so that way it stands up a whole lot easier. Otherwise, he's gonna be rocking pretty heavy. All right. Now with the tail, you'll just grab and bend it right where it kind of meets up. Like so. Move these out of the way. Next up, for his head, you're going to get that piece that you cut off earlier. You're going to fold it in half. And with your marker, you're going to draw an oval where it just connects on a little spot on the folded edge. And you'll cut that part out. So you'll get a piece like this. Next up, you'll get your glue. Put your glue in there. And right at the crease, you're going to attach it to the crease of the body. And pinch it together. So you have his head. Then you'll just grab your marker, draw a little smiley face. if you like. You can make them mean if you want. And then my favorite part, attach some googly eyes. Press down nice and firm so that way it will stick. Now with this little strip of white paper, you can just cut little tiny triangles to make teeth. I'll just make this one with 2 teeth. There we go. Now you have your own little dinosaur to play with. Hope you had fun with this. And remember, we would love to see how your craft came out. So take pictures and share them with us. You can send pictures to tauseyouth@tausgov.com